Welcome to the final assembly of the knife. I'm really pleased with it. It didn't turn out exactly as I thought it would be. I do have a lot to learn, but I'm pretty pleased. I think it's a fairly good job. So we have our internal pipe cleaner, and this unit is supposed to ram the tobacco into the pipe. You can easily there's a magnet there as you got it. You can easily switch between this gentle pipe cleaner to a more aggressive pipe cleaner. I have no idea if this is going to be useful. I just hope it will be, or maybe, or could be. We have two Allen wrenches to lock and unlock the threaded screw inside there. And we have a guard for the knife blade. This is a brand new guard. I just made it, and it's not easy to use, but I think it's going to be good. Sit flush, like so. So, let's assemble the full blade. There we go. It's actually the first time you're seeing it as is, so I'm pretty pleased with that. Definitely. Okay. What do we have left? We have to oil the handle. We have to protect the blade. And I'm not sharpening it. It's sharp enough as it is. I'm not sure how sharp it should be. I'll let Cliff decide how sharp he wants it to be. Because I don't want to sharpen it too much, so it'll start carving bits from the pipe itself. So this is something I have zero experience with, so I'm not going to sharpen it. I really had long debates with myself to sharpen the blade or not sharpen the blade. I chose not to sharpen it. Right. So this is a, if you haven't seen the series, this is a hardened 01 tool steel blade. The shank is not hardened, only the blade. I have no idea what the Rockwell size measurement is. I have really no idea, and no way to test it. But testing other bits of the same metal, the same bar stock, which is this stock by the way, is it has proven itself really nice, fine metallic grain, really hard surface. I did eat through one of my files really easily, so I'm pleased with that. Let's get started. First things first, I'll start with the blade. To do that, I'm going to protect the handle. This is a wax designed for protection of wood, metal, and other surfaces. It's a blend and a formula made by the British Museum, and it's designed for restoration specialists. It does protect leather, furniture, paintings, metals, marble, ivory, and there are many other surfaces. Okay? It does have a really weak fragrance that does say use tiny amounts. So this is what we're going to use. Take a new patch. It smells like oil. Okay, we had a camera failure, sorry. And what I'm about to do is I'm about to use some of this, which is a mix of, I think it's time to reveal our beauty. The Beauty and the Beast. This is an 01 tool, hardened steel, but the shaft is soft by the way, knife. This is an ironwood burl, from the US by the way. The sheath is the leather I just bought from Spain, and I'm pretty pleased with that. And the knife is cute. It's not what I wanted it exactly to be, but it's close enough. It's close enough. I'm pretty pleased with that. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys.